Hey guys, so today I want to talk about this opinionated folder structure project that I talked to you guys about before. So let's go over what it is, what it contains, what it is not. Doesn't have everything, but it has a set of folders that you can start using. So you can start using this project to just kind of get started, not think about how you are gonna set up your folders. It already has some sort of structure in there for you. So I'll be adding onto this project over time, but I just cover the most important things, which are assets, components, hooks, and requests. I think we're missing third-party classes for things like sockets. If you're using something like Pusher, then you can have like a class in a folder here that's called like third-party or something. But a lot of that over time, I'll just focus on this. It's set up with tests in place for components. So one that comes in already with React app is the app.test. But I expanded it a little bit with a button test, app test. This test is kind of like the basic component. Then you have this other button. You have some tests here. If we find the renders button, then that when clicked runs the desired action. So we can run these tests actually, and they should all pass. Let's run all of them. There you go. Yeah, so all of them are passing. And yeah, it sort of gives you. It comes with Typescript. I set it up so that all the classes are in Typescript. I didn't type everything, but I typed like this. Button props is one of the few things that I typed. But I think over time I want to type more things, and kind of use this as a playground for me. But I do think TypeScript is kind of the future. It prevents a lot of bugs for us. It just helps you a lot to know what the structure of the data looks like, what types you're gonna get everywhere. So yeah, it's really useful. I highly recommend you guys. Another important thing that this project has is tests. So I highly recommend you guys write tests for your components. And it uses hooks. This is kind of what I'm used to. I'm gonna explore other alternatives as we go. But I kind of wanted to get going with this project, and then if it evolves to something else, we'll just see what to do with hooks. But this is kind of how you call your requests via a hook. You set up this hook that calls this request method function, and then you have like your classic is loading fully on React. What else? This is so let me show you guys a request. Pretty straightforward. Just Axios, an import, and then you have a function that's Axios.get, and I use this open source API, like a free API that gets you a dog image. And then okay, let's just run the application. Yep. So sometimes the images don't work. I don't know why. But then you refresh it, you're gonna get an image. And per icon, this is just so that you verify SVGs are working. This is a button. It has a unit test on it. Documentation. I wrote this not so long ago. You just look around, clone the project, see. Let me know what you think. Hopefully it helps. The intention is that you just clone it, start writing code about your features, and not think about the folder structure. I'm inspired by Rails, how Rails sets up your projects already with everything, like kind of like you have your controllers folder, your whole MVC architecture already set up. React is way different, but still I think we can have some kind of opinionated folder structure that people can use. Yeah, so if you like the video, please like and subscribe. That helps the channel a lot. I'll be posting another one next week. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.